Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Make this festival season even more special with delicious recipes. Today's recipe is blueberry muffins. They are magically soft and moist on the inside with a sweet golden dome, and they are bursting with blueberries, and once you make these you will ask again and again. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. Here I am taking fresh blueberries, which is 200 grams. You can also use frozen one. Set aside and preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a bowl and sift the dry ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Add a pinch of salt and set it aside. In another bowl, take 100 grams of butter. Here I am using unsalted butter. If you are using salted one, then you can skip the salt. Butter should be room temperature. See how soft it is. Add 1 cup of sugar. Beat well until soft, smooth and creamy. Adding 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. Beat well. Adding 2 eggs, again it should be room temperature. Add a teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat well combined until pale and fluffy. My bowl size is small, so I am transferring a big one. Take a tablespoon sifted flour, add it into the blueberries, mix it very gently and keep aside. Add the remaining flour into the egg mixture little by little. Gently fold with a spatula until just combined. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, just fold it. Make sure the batter is thick. Now add blueberries to the batter and gently fold them. Don't break the blueberries. Our batter is ready. Line the muffin tin with paper liner. It's very important to use the liners, otherwise the blueberries will stick to the bottom of the pan. Scoop the batter into liners, filling them all the way to the top. For garnishing, place 2 to 3 blueberries on it and sprinkle some sugar over the top of the muffins. It's baking time. Bake preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. Our delicious muffin is ready. Take it out from the oven. Remove the muffin from the tin onto a cooling rack. Serve warm or at room temperature. Warm is extra yummy. You can store refrigerate this muffin up to 1 week or freeze them up to 3 months with Ziploc bag. When ready to eat, transfer the frozen muffin into a fridge or countertop. To warm up, microwave on high for about 20 seconds or bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 6 to 10 minutes. Enjoy this soft and delicious muffin with your loved ones. That's all for today. Hope you'll enjoy it. Hope you'll give this a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Happy Christmas. Thank you.